Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to connect custom domain to a Google site website. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Harmonweb client area. Secondly, you need to come under your domains. I'm under my domains right now. Okay, sorry, let me log into my account first. Under domains, yeah. I want to, make connect this particular domain to my Google site. So what you want to do next is to go onto your Google site, go to the particular landing page that you created via Google site. Okay, this is the particular one I created, as you can see right here. So you come under publish right here, publish options, then you click on publish settings. Then you are going to see what custom domain under the publish settings, as you can see right here. So what I want to do next is to what? Click on the custom domain. Sorry, click on the manage here. Custom domains, yes. Start setup. Then I enter what? I enter the domain name. Let me copy it. I paste it here. The domain is not verified. Please verify ownership. Your domain has to be on Google site first, and you must be signed into that particular email that your website is connected to via the Google Search Console. So I'm going to be connecting it first. You'll be given a txt file. Okay, let's click on continue. You'll be given a txt file to add to the DNS of your domain name. As you can see here, I have a web hosting on Harmonweb with this same domain. So it's very simple. I just log into my cPanel and add the zones. But you that you have only your domain on Harmonweb, you can just simply contact our customer support by opening a ticket or live chat. Then you give them the DNS and either the record type, is it a TXT or a CNAME, give it to them. It will be added to that domain name. Then you can successfully verify. So let me log into my cPanel first to do this. Let me copy it. Okay, zone editor. Okay, I'm under my cPanel. I search for zone editor, click on it, this particular domain. I click on manage, I click on add record. This will be the domain name. Okay, type should be txt. Then what? You paste your record that you were given from Google. Then you click on save record. Once it is successfully saved, you need to just go back to your Google site, which is the Google site search console, and click on the verify button. Okay, it has been added successfully. Now let's go back and click on verify. Can you see ownership has been verified? Then what? Go back to our Google site. Then we enter that domain again. Can you see it has been verified? Then you click on next. Then this is the final step to set up. It's already black. If you say yes, click on next. Then you what? Give your customer care this particular CNAME entry or create it using the zone editor. Follow the process here, and once you are done, just click on the done button, and that particular domain name is going to be connected to this Google site website. That is all. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone who might need it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.